Evan, look at mommy.
Okay.
Okay.
Count by 5.
No, how about we start with spelling your name?
E-V-A-N.
How about Choi?
C-H-O-Y.
Okay, let's count by 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 35, 40, 35, 50.
Okay, let's try again. I think you try again. Try again.
Count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 35.
What's after 35? Look at mommy.
50.
No, 35, then what?
30, 50.
You're close. Count again. Okay, start over.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 35, 30, 35, 50.
Oh, you forgot 40. Okay, 35 comes 40.
Oh.
45, 40.
Okay, try again.
Count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 35, 30, 35, 30, 45, 50.
Okay, close enough. Hey, Evan. What letter does zebra start with?
C.
What letter does hat start with?
H.
Okay, can you think of a word that starts with the letter Q?
Queen.
That's right.
Hey.
Okay, how about the letter T? What word start?
Train.
Oh, that's good. How about A?
Apple.
That's right.
An airplane too.
Oh, that's right. Evan, if you have 5 fingers and then you put one down, how many do you have left? Take away one.
Oh, we're happy to my finger.
What happened to your finger? What do you mean?